friends, welcome to Seametal channels. I am Linda. Today I introduce you a very useful sun visor phone holder. Is this tab. Okay, if you are still looking for the other mounting angle, such as install on the sun visors or an upgrade sun visor phone holder, you can check these ones. This is the package. And about this package, you can learn more about the foldable design and the adjustment angles. So let's open the box. You can see it is divided into 3 parts. And this part you can see it is foldable design. When you need to use it, you just click this button and open this. And this is what it looks like when unfolded. Okay, let's install this product. You just need to put this into the board and then assemble it together. Just like this. Okay, when you don't need to use this, you can fold it out. It will not block your views. And then we can take a close look at this clip. You can open and peel up to 2.5 centimeters. So its large opening design is suitable for all car models. And you can compare with the old phone holder. You can see the clip has become bigger, so the area of its contact surface has become bigger. So your phone holder has more stable and not easy to fail. And this is our install in your car videos. So we can put our phone here, and then you can see this arm can be adjustable. This button and this button can adjust 360 degrees. And this button can be adjusted 118 degrees. You just click this button and then they can adjust. So wherever you put it in the sun visors, you can rotate freely and find the angle you want. Okay, this phone holder can be adjusted 1018 degrees. I think it can bring you a new experience. So if you like this product or this video, you can follow us. We will bring more car accessories in the future. So thank you for your watching. See you next time.